Get ready for the dictation. Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. Now, after 3 days, debate voting took place on the 6th November and the total strength of the legislature being 140. Really, it is a very surprising thing that 130 members were present in the House, only there was one absentee. Now, out of 139, one was the Honorable Speaker and another member remained neutral, and 137 members actually voted. And if you add the Speaker, actually 138 members were present and 137 voted. And out of 137, the result of the division was 69 in favor of the motion of no confidence and 68 against the motion. The result was that this motion of no confidence was carried by one. The ministry met, they pondered over the situation and they submitted their resignation. But along with the resignation, they also said that having regard to this want of equilibrium and always uncertainties prevailing, it was desirable that there should be a general dissolution so that people may be given an opportunity of having a stable government for themselves, of pronouncing their own opinion upon this big question of prohibition and all other relevant questions. That is what they did. They submitted their resignation and they gave this advice. Now, sir, the governor was faced with a very difficult situation. He sent for and saw the leaders of different groups, but these gentlemen, apart from meeting the governor and telling him in conversations as to what they thought of the matter, also issued a statement to the press, and these gentlemen stuck to the statement and tendered their advice to the governor to the same effect. Sir, we had given notice of a question of privilege yesterday, and I understand that the Andhra bill is coming up before the other house at 5 p.m. today. Sir, our contention was that it amounted to a contempt of this house and breach of privilege because the Lok Sabha Secretariat had issued a notice saying that the Andhra bill would be introduced in that house even before the proclamation had been discussed in and endorsed by this house. The Constitution makes it clear that this proclamation has to be endorsed under certain limitations by both houses of parliament. Now, sir, we feel that the Lok Sabha Secretariat has anticipated the decision of this house. They should have waited till the verdict of this house on the question of proclamation was known to them. Therefore, I submit that this house has operated to the prejudice of the house as a whole, full stop.